In this video, we will define our first user task and assign a custom module to it. In order to gather invoice data in our first task, we start by creating 3 variables. Starting with invoice amount, which is a float type. Our second variable will be invoice date, which is a date type that we specify accordingly. Our third variable will be the name of the vendor, which is a string type. Now we need to specify what our first user task should do and select Hand over to user. We also want to notify all members of the accounting group on this user task. Of course, we want to use the custom module created earlier for our user task, so we select the module Create Invoice accordingly.